What's up? What's good, everyone? In this video, I will be face painting my cousin Titus as Foxy from FNAF. I've face painted quite a few FNAF characters before. I face painted myself as Chica, even though I'm wearing a mask right now. And I face painted his brother, my other cousin Silas, as Bonnie. And I face painted Hallie as Freddy. And I'm gonna face paint myself as Mangle. All kinds of FNAF face paints. So you guys can go check that out in the description down below. Let's get started. We are going to paint the teeth, which is he has teeth on the top and on the bottom.
So you're done with the teeth, right?
I am done with the teeth, yes. We're going to work on your red now. Everything except for your nose, your eyes, and the inside of your mouth. Well, I'm going to paint his muzzle red, and then I'm going to make it lighter red by putting white on it. I think the red face paint at first, until you're like all done, I think it kind of looks like you get a sunburn.
Mousy says, I love your vids and you inspire me every day.
Ah, you guys are so sweet. Thank you. I'm so glad that you enjoy my videos. I love this red so much. It's the first Mayron Paradise paint I ever got, and I think it's fabulous. Oh, I don't think that I said earlier, but my sister Super Hallie, who is currently dressed like Freddy, is reading off the comments.
Claire says, I love your Scar ASL video.
Oh, thank you. Me too. I had so much fun filming that one. He turned out to be one of my favorite Disney villains because of all the videos that I made with him. Going on to the black.
Claire says, I love ASL. I am still learning ASL.
Me too, on all accounts. I love it and I'm still learning it too. Let's go for your eyes. Just keeping it real over here. Yeah, you will have to keep your eyes closed a little longer so that the paint can dry.
Ego11 Official says, I'm bored, LOL. That's why I joined 3 of Love Hearts.
Oh, well, I hope that you're having some fun, good times.
Gerada says, thanks to you, I feel happier and more positive.
Yay! I'm all about spreading the positivity. There needs more of that. That wasn't grammatically correct, but you guys know what I'm talking about.
Blackish reddish. What about Titus's muzzle?
I'm working on it. Thank you, because I did almost forget about it. Whisker time. What do you guys think?
I think you got Foxy.
I think you did pretty good on.
I thought Kirishima would be a good way to match all the red that's going down. Oh my goodness. The wig really brings it all together.
Oh, okay. Just go.
You do look amazing. It is Silas's birthday today.
Me.
This guy's birthday. Arrgh!
Val says, what do you eat?
What do I eat? Well, FNAF people eat humans.
Yes.
The birthday man requested a yeet, so I'm eating. Yeet!
He's sending a bunch of like pandas with glasses.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know what that does, but you have to pay money for it.
Oh my gosh, that's new for me. Fire King Endeavor, you're the first person to have ever gifted me anything. You need like a special shout out or something, because that's crazy. Hello Sirens, how are you?
Wait, there's a yellow tooth.
I've got the yellow paint and just make one of his teeth yellow. Which one should be yellow? This one?
Jazzy Bell says, how do you live? Please tell me.
How do I live?
Yep.
How do I live? Well, let's see. I wake up and I like to eat foods and drink lots of water. I don't know. That's like a really complex question.
Samantha says, can one of you sing?
Sing what?
Samantha says, any song.
Is there a FNAF song that all of us could sing for the outro real quick?
I
only got one night to know. I don't want night to. That was pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and jump scare that subscribe if you want to see more. And I hope you guys have a good Halloween time, rest of the year, fall, all that stuff. Bye!